Hi everybody, it's Jack Creates over here, and today I'm going to be opening this Cars 3 surprise egg. It comes with candy characters inside, and here's Lightning McQueen. So let's open it. Hey, look! Lightning McQueen is engraved on the egg itself. Alright. Here I go. So, here are the candy characters. And they're all different. So let's take a look at them. So, they're all shaped as Lightning McQueen, but they're different. So these are all of the candy characters. Let's take a bite. This one tastes more like green apple.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dump the whole bag out, and now I'm gonna take a bite of this one. This one tastes more like banana.
Yummy.
So now I'm gonna give this one a taste. Pink one. This one tastes like strawberry as well. Last but not least, the blue one. Now this one is blue raspberry. Well guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel every day.